Hey, and in this episode of the Really Mary, you're gonna see the progress that we've made on this house. Jason, tell them the 5 things that they're gonna see.
We've got the tie beam complete. We've got trusses and strapping. We've got framing. We've got dry-in. We've got a whole bunch of good stuff going on here.
You don't wanna miss it.
Really, Mary?
I'm here with Jason Bailey with FCI Homes as president, and he's here to talk about this house that we've been following. Jason, this looks like a house now. What's up?
We've made a lot of progress since the last time we were here. So since the last time we were here, we've done a bunch of things. We've poured the tie beam, number 1. Number 2, we've set all the trusses. Number 3, we've got all the framing in the house done. Number 4, we've got the dry-in material on the roof, so the roof's dried in. A whole lot of stuff's happened in the last few weeks.
And my goodness, for those of you that may not know what all that means, tell us again what each of those things are.
Okay, so the tie beam is full concrete and steel beam that runs around the entire perimeter of the house. That holds all the walls together. It also has a whole bunch of straps in it that hold all the trusses and all the framing down for protection from hurricanes and things like that.
Which you don't need when you live up north, but you do want that home when you're here. Now, Jason, there's a lot of things that you do in the things you just mentioned that are different than perhaps other builders. Talk about those a little bit.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, wood framing, you know, some of the builders use metal framing, perhaps more environmentally friendly. We just feel like wood framing is a lot stronger, it's a lot sturdier, it's more timeless. That's one of the things, you know. Some of the plywood material we use, we try to use better material. The framing material we use, we try and use all prime grade framing lumber that's straighter, stronger, better consistency, better quality. The drying material on the roof, some builders will use just standard felt paper. We use what's called a peel and stick material. It's more expensive, but it's a heck of a lot stronger. It sticks to the roof. It's not going anywhere.
And you know what? That's what you want when you have a house here in Southwest Florida, because we have a lot of elements that will try to take a house apart. You know, whether it's a hurricane or, you know, a smaller wind event or rain event, whatever those are. You know, I look at this and I look at the, you know, the trusses that the last time we were here, really, we only saw the tie beam, right? The concrete tie beam that went around. And now, look at the house. It's pretty amazing.
Yep, you can see all the rooms, you can see where everything's gonna line up in the house now. So it really gives you a sense of what you're gonna be. When you're in this house, when you're living in this house, you got an idea what's here.
And it's awesome. So until next time, I know you're going to want to see how this house progresses. I'm Mary Bartos with the Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and you've got to tune in to Really Mary to check it out.